DieCash Cars. So I got a little phone call this morning from the store clerk, and she had let me know that they had gotten a couple of cases of Hot Wheels. I came to check the bin, and it is overflowing. Before this, guys, this bin was literally empty. So got my little cart here. We're gonna fill this, dig in, see if we can't find anything that's good. I got some bent cards right up top here, so I'm guessing someone might have been through some of this already, but we're just gonna dig and see what we can find here. And I may pause periodically, guys, because I know I'm gonna make things fall, and I want to be courteous to all the other shoppers and store workers. I don't want to leave a giant mess. Like I've said before, guys, it always pays off to be kind anytime we're doing any kind of hunting. So guys, I've been digging for about 2 minutes here, and wow, look at that. Gasmonkeygarage Corvette Super Treasure Hunt number 2 for 2024. Man, that thing is so nice. Wow, why was this not hyped up a little bit more last year? And this is an awesome Super Treasure Hunt, but man, we still got plenty of bin to go through, so let's keep digging. So we got some Porsche action, some Monster High. Let's just double check the case letter too. So this is A case 2024. What else we got? More A case, but yeah, G case. I was about to say that Gasmonkeygarage did not come from 2024. So we got a weird mix of A, G, and Q case. So, well, what an odd mix. What an odd distribution, Mattel. But we're not going to complain. One super in and plenty of bin left. So A case, I mean, we're basically looking for that Ford Escort that I found at Dollar Tree the other day too. And look, there's that DieCash Cars money clip. Make sure you get some of these while they're out there. Got a little 400Z action. Got a Barbie car. Got some more brick and mortar. And man, could it be? Nope, that's the main line, but oh man, lightning striking twice today, guys. Look at that. On a bent card. It's definitely been dumped. I don't know if these cars have been handled or what, but we got some damage on these cars, but I'm not going to complain, guys. Second Super Treasure Hunt. You got the main line to pair with it as well, too. What a crazy contrast these two are, right? You got lime green, and then you got a dark forest green Spectre Flame on the Super, but man, I cannot complain. This Super is definitely growing on me. I found it so many times already, which is crazy. But, alright, well, let's keep digging, guys. Just peering over all these cars. We got a Camaro in yellow, got an Audi, got some Star Wars, some Nissan Patrol, Mercedes-Benz. There was the model of the year for 2024 per Lamley Group. Got Power Wagon, got the Jello car, got the Monster High car, got another Ford Mustang in that Falcon livery, some lowriders, some Subarus. One hand is just not doing it, guys. I might have to go two-hand here and turn the camera off for just a second, but I promise if I find anything, I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, so my cart is basically full of cars, and I'm getting down to about the middle of the bin here, and I'm starting to see bent cards and really old stock now. Like some of these cards have probably been here for a long time, like this A case from 2023, so I think it's safe to say all the new stuff has been picked over. The funniest thing, guys, way down here, found another Spectre Flame Green, this one on a terrible ripped card. This must have been sitting down here for a couple of days. I'd imagine this is one of the stores that I don't think collectors in the area really hit, because they stock so very few and far between. So, but man, look at that. Another one. So 3 supers on the day, guys. Just to showcase all 3 in the same pick. Man, that is insane. And there's an awesome spotlight right above me, so the camera just looks really good. But I will get this cleaned up, guys. I don't think there's anything left in here, and we'll be on our way. But man, just look at that aftermath. Crazy filled bin, crazy filled cart. But again, being a courteous collector, I'm gonna put it all back and let someone else have some fun digging into it. So there it is, the bin all cleaned up, again being a courteous collector. And yep, get to take these 3 bad boys home. Man, I haven't had a score like this in quite some time, but wow, what a great way to start the week, guys. And here we are back home with the very, very humble haul. 3 super treasure hunts and 1 outing, 1 store, 1 Hot Wheels bin, guys. Man, I'm still feeling the rush of just digging through that bin and finding these supers, guys. And this is completely uncharacteristic of me because all 2023, all year, all I found was 9 super treasure hunts. Here we are, 2024, first week of February, the 2nd month of the year, and I'm already at 4 super treasure hunts, 3 of which were these green, DieCash green Ford Escort RS 2000s. But man, just look at them shine, guys. I am still in awe that I was able to find multiple supers in one stop just like that. And I know with my last couple of hunt videos where I was able to find super treasure hunts, got a lot of comments and questions, a lot of feedback, just asking me what are some tips. How am I finding super treasure hunts? How do I get first dibs at cases and things like that? Well, in all honesty, guys, it just comes down to pure luck. Because even if you find the case, it doesn't mean that you're going to find a super treasure hunt, right? But if I can just give everyone a couple of general tips, guys. The first one just being nice and courteous and respectful to the store workers, whether it be the managers, the stockers, etc. You know, just have a personal moment with them. Let them know that you genuinely are there to collect Hot Wheels. You don't mean any harm to anybody. You're not trying to thrash through boxes and make a mess and, you know, just be completely greedy. You're just there to hunt for Hot Wheels because it is a pastime of yours. And in all honesty, they're very responsive to that. You know, and the more genuine you are, the more willing they are to help you get things, right? Whether it's boxes or, you know, it kind of leads me to step number 2, which is related to step number 1, but that is knowing the dates that they're delivering fresh stock. I mean, if store workers know that you genuinely care when they stock new products and they're willing to work with you so that they can get that purchase from you, they will let you know when the next time they're getting a big truck in, and if there's going to be Hot Wheels or Matchbox or whatever diecast you're looking for, they will let you know. So all you got to do is pencil it into your phone, your calendars, and be there that day and just, again, politely and courteously ask, hey, you guys said you guys were getting stock on this day, any update? And again, if you're genuine, you're nice, you're courteous about it, they're going to be more than willing to help you get some awesome cars to add to your collection. And the last tip I can share with you guys is don't force the situation. Don't will there to be a super treasure hunt every time you go to the stores, because more often than not, you're going to leave the stores being very disappointed because odds of finding a super treasure hunt aren't always there. I mean, you guys know I've gone through months of dry spell, never finding chase pieces, to all of a sudden, you know, like they say, when it rains, it pours. All of a sudden, you just walk into random bins with a bunch of super treasure hunts in it, right? So what I will say is be a casual hunter when it comes to Hot Wheels and diecast. Walk into your stores with low expectations, just going in there just to see what's on the pegs, just for that casual hunting and trying to admire these castings for what they are, not always having to be a chase piece. And let these super treasure hunts find you for a chance. Don't always be the ones scouring the city for these cars. And with that being said, I thought this would be a great opportunity to share the wealth with all of you viewers here. I'm going to give everybody an opportunity to actually get one of these Ford Escort RS 2000s as a giveaway. All you got to do is be subscribed to the channel, like this video, and comment down below green Escort. And I will do a random comment picker in the next week here. Pick one of the lucky winners, get their information, and get this super treasure hunt out to you guys just as a thank you again for just supporting this channel for the last 2 years. And again, look forward to giving you guys more content, especially here in 2024. But that's what I got for you guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on DieCash Cars.